皆さん、こんにちは。私は千尋です。Hello, my name is Chihiro. I'm your Japanese teacher. Today, we are learning a Japanese basic grammar. それでは、始めましょう。Let's start. When we say A is B, we use a form which is A は B です。A is topic and は is we call particle. は is used as a topic marker. So if you are saying topic, you need to put は next to. This is be verbs such as is, am, are. And Japanese verbs always comes at the end of the sentence. Okay? Good. じゃあ、if you want to say, I am Chihiro. I am a teacher. We say, 私は千尋です。私は先生です。じゃあ、what about this? If you want to say, I am David. I am an employee. What would you say? The answer is, 私はデイビッドです。私は会社員です。じゃあ、when we talk about the same topic in Japanese, we usually omit the subject in the following sentences. For example, if you want to say, I am Chihiro, I am a teacher, you can say, 私は千尋です。先生です。As you can see, we omit 私は in the second sentence because the topic has already been introduced. じゃあ、next example. If you want to say, I am David, I am an employee, what would you say in Japanese? Let's think about it. Did you get the answer? The answer is 私はデイビッドです。会社員です。Was your answer correct? Today, we learned a basic Japanese grammar pattern. When you make a noun sentence, like A is B, you use the form A は B です。If you understand this, you can make simple sentences about yourself. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. ありがとうございました。またね。See ya.